What's up mga kauma? For today's video, I'm going to show you on how to solve for the course and distance traveled by the vessel using the parallel sailing method. So the scenario is, the vessel is scheduled to sail from port of departure with latitude 15 degrees 22 minutes south, longitude 120 degrees 45 minutes west, to her arrival port in latitude 15 degrees 22 minutes south, longitude 116 degrees 17 minutes west with a set speed of 80 knots. What would be her distance to travel and course to steer using the parallel sailing method? Now, take a look on the given coordinates. Your latitude in your departure and arrival is the same. So, illustrate natin siya. Okay? So, assuming that this is our latitude. So, ang ating departure point is somewhere here in 120 degrees. Let's mark it A. And yung ating arrival point is somewhere here. Let's mark it B. So, if you're going to connect that, as you can see, nakaka-create tayo ng straight line. So, parallel, no? Kaya nga tinawag siyang parallel sailing method. So, kung makikita ninyo, you don't need to solve for the course. So, it is already given. So, going siya sa east. So, therefore, that is 090 degrees. Straight line, di ba? Kasi parehas na ang kanyang latitude. So, therefore, nakakome up ka na ng course mo, which is 090 degrees. Yan. So, that is your course already. Now, the question is, what is the distance traveled? Yun. Okay. So, sa distance travel na yan, gagamitin natin ang formula na departure equals d long by cosine lat. Okay? So, given ba ang d long? Hindi, di ba? So, hahanapin muna natin yung difference in longitude gamit yung ating longitude from departure and longitude from arrival. Okay. Proceed tayo dito. So, find for d long. So, yun muna yung ating first step. D long stands for difference in longitude. Okay. So, we have the longitude 1, our departure longitude, which is 120 degrees 45 minutes west. And ating long 2, which is our arrival longitude, na 116 degrees 17 minutes west. So, what would be the difference in longitude? Siyempre, isubtract natin yan. No? 45 and 17 is 28. 28 minutes, 120 and 116 is 004. Okay. Now, what would be the name? No? Okay, of the d long. Okay, now take note guys, the difference in longitude determines the direction kung saan papunta yung barko ninyo. So therefore, pinakita natin dito, doon sa inyo kanina, our vessel is moving to the east. Okay, so therefore your d long is east. Yan. Okay. Now, we're going to multiply this, or we're going to convert the d long into minutes. So therefore, we're going to multiply that by 60. No? So, we can come up with 268 minutes. Yan. So, yun yung ating d long, no? 268. Okay. Now, let's apply this data doon sa ating formula. No? So, ang ating formula is departure is equals to d long by cosine lat. Okay? So, ang ating d long is 268 minutes by cosine. So, ang ating latitude is 15 degrees 22 minutes. So, we come up with the answer of 252.5 nautical miles. So So therefore, our departure or the distance traveled by the vessel is 252.5 nautical miles. Okay? So therefore, we have already our final answer. No? The distance traveled by the vessel and the course, no, to steer by the vessel, which is 090 degrees. So, yan lang ang parallel sailing methods. Tandaan nyo, parallel sailing methods has the same latitude from departure to arrival point.